10 Easy Ways to Secure Your Online Accounts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to secure your online accounts. In a world where cybersecurity threats are on the rise, protecting your accounts has never been more crucial. So, in this video, we will share 10 easy ways to keep your online accounts safe. Let's jump right in. Strong and unique passwords. Tip number 1. Use strong and unique passwords for each of your accounts. Avoid using common passwords or easily guessable information. A strong password usually consists of a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication. Tip number 2. Enable two-factor authentication, TUFA, wherever possible. TUFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide a second verification step, such as a text message code or a biometric scan. Password managers. Tip number 3. Consider using a password manager. These tools can generate and store complex passwords for you, so you don't have to remember them all. Some popular options include LastPass, Dashlane, and 1Password. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Tip number 4. Be cautious on public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi can be a breeding ground for hackers. If you must use it, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your data. Regular account checkups. Tip number 5. Regularly review your account activity. Many online services offer activity logs, so check them for any suspicious or unauthorized access. If you spot anything unusual, take action immediately. Security questions. Tip number 6. Be cautious with security questions. Some security questions can be easily guessed by researching your online presence. Consider using fictional answers or answers unrelated to the actual question. Email verification. Tip number 7. Verify your email accounts. Ensure that your primary email account is well protected, since it's often the gateway to your other accounts. Use a strong password and TUFA on your email. App permissions. Tip number 8. Review app permissions. Only grant necessary permissions to apps and services. Some apps ask for more access than they need, which can be a security risk. Log out of devices. Tip number 9. Log out of devices you no longer use. If you've logged into your accounts on shared or public computers, remember to log out when you're done. This prevents unauthorized access. Keep software updated. Tip number 10. Keep your software updated. Regularly update your operating system, web browser, and security software. These updates often contain patches for known vulnerabilities. There you have it, 10 easy ways to secure your online accounts. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of your accounts being hacked. Remember, your online security is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Stay safe online, and we will see you in the next video.